How to hide your photographs onto your Android gallery. This is an extremely important privacy feature. So I'm going to head over to my gallery, select the specific image that I want to hide. I'm going to select this image and I want to hide this image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on more, and from the more menu option, I'm going to click on either add this to a secure folder or use your phone's hidden album feature. I'm going to simply long press on it, click on more, and click on move to X hide, which is basically my phone's inbuilt X hidden album. Once I click on it, poof, it's gone. The photo is completely into the hidden area. Now to access the hidden area, what you're going to do is you're going to head over to the tool section, which is a private photo save. Click there, enter in your fingerprint or your password, and just access that hidden vault that you have. This way you can hide photos on Android Gallery successfully, and this enhances privacy for keeping your sensitive photographs and important photographs safe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video is helpful for you.